And we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. Oh my freaking god. Just the volatility is great. Without in that, you know, kind of easy peasy, lemon squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. Noise. Guys, you see. What's up, people? How you doing? I'm Alex. Hello to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Today, sorry for the laptop here. Yeah. Today I'm having $150 and hopefully I will be able to manage to profit nice amount of money, which is going to be quite valuable, you know. I'm going to be using Aroon in this video as oscillator. But I'm going to be setting up and everything as in every video, but unfortunately I'm not really having that much time in order to explain all the details, in order, you know, tiny hints of the settings of these indicators. So if you would like to get that information, I would definitely recommend you to join my Telegram private group, because everything is right there. So the link is going to be below in the description. Do not forget to leave a like, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's freaking go. Okay, what do we have here? I mean, Supertrend and Zigzag, they definitely and obviously just confirming and showing and indicating clear downtrend, and as well as Aroon for the bearish trend. So obviously going for decline. There we go, $95, more than half of our balance, which is quite nice. You know, it is quite nice. Nicey. Oh my god, my neck. Wow. I'm kind of tired, you know. I was planning to play some PlayStation today, but didn't have, I mean, any time just to even take the controller in my hands. Didn't do anything. Oh my god. Stop just playing with me that way. Stop just playing with me that way. I mean, price just bounces off support at the Supertrend line and moves above the Bollinger Band's middle band. Right? So here, Supertrend acts like the support, and obviously we are going for the long, and we believe that the market is going to be growing, and the price will jump. Okay, my eyes are burning. Do you remember the song? What was the name of the artist though? It was and we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. Da 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 dee. Yeah, I don't remember the name of the artist, but hopefully Shazam will understand me. I'm gonna be just singing literally to the phone. Honestly, I'm just hoping for that, but you're just gonna kill me. Oh my god, that was kind of stressy and risky. The profit is nice. The situation is kind of bouncing up from the resistance level and going for short though. Entry point is not that good as I wanted it to be, but we can still work with it. There we go. Here freaking go. Noise. Guys, you see, like I'm just easily doing it. You have to understand how they work. You have to understand how to deal with it. So I'm gonna be betting 200, I believe. I mean, we are having strong outward movement following the zigzag pattern. Probably SAR, Supertrend, Aroon, all of them, they just confirm the bullish momentum, you know. And the price remains in the Bollinger Band zone, you know, in the upper zone of the Bollinger Band. So going for the increase, definitely. Not even thinking about it, not even doubting that, you know, kind of easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just would like to remind you that I started with $150, and I don't really remember the amount of the quantity of the bets that I've just made in this video so far, but I don't really think that it's been more than like 6. I don't know. I mean, it's not been that much. Oh, I feel really tired though. I know I've told you that before, but I don't know. I'm kind of I kind of gotta get some massage, you know. Really indeed. So, mamma mia, ooh, nice. I guess we got the profit, didn't it? Yes. Guys, like, come on. You can't be expecting me explaining this situation. Look at the indicators. Look at the market. I'm going big. $460 amount that I'm going. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Just the volatility is great. I mean, it becomes weaker and weaker. There's no doubt, but like, come on. So guys, reminding you kindly again that you can't be just watching these videos. I'm sorry, Michael. You can't be just watching these videos without any goal, without any point, just for entertainment. All right, I'm really glad that you're doing it. Very much appreciate it. But I'm doing it just for the learning purposes. I want you to learn something from this. I'm trying to teach you something. But I am able to do it in the best way in my Telegram private group. The link is going to be below in the description. You got to go, try. Hopefully, I don't lose. Here we go. $1,065 from $150 I just made. If you don't have, how do I say, if you are not able to really get and understand the way I'm doing it, Telegram private group. If you're willing to get in a detailed way the way I'm doing it, Telegram private group. Every question that you have in your mind, answer is in the Telegram private group. So do not hesitate, don't be shy, just try it. It is for free, not pushing. No one is trying, I mean, no one is doing nothing for you. Just information is there. So do not forget to join, try it. Do not forget to leave a like under my video and all of my videos that you like. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, do not forget to let me know in the comments what you like the most, what type of videos you like the most, what type of streams you like the most, so I can alter the the videos, alter my schedules and everything, just to try to satisfy you with the videos and with the content that I'm doing here. Sorry, microphone, I'm not trying to like hurt you. So thank you for watching. It was me, Alex. Love you all. Goodbye.